Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these podcasting tools, which is Podcast and Restream. So I'm just going to quickly dive into this AI website where you decide which of these AI sites can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Podcastle. Podcastle is perfect for podcaster. You want an easy all-in-one recording and editing platform. It offers clear audio, AI noise removal, and simple publishing tools that make it beginner friendly. However, it can feel limited for advanced creators and sometimes buggy when handling larger projects. Also, Restream, on the other hand, shines for creators who also go live and want to broadcast across multiple platforms at once. It's great for video, podcast, real-time audience engagement, but it lacks deep editing tools. So in my own opinion, you can simply dive into Podcastle, which is the best for audio-focused podcast, while Restream wins for live video-driving shows. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.